My name is Ogungbenro, and I'm a partner in KPMG. And I'm also the head of Consumer and Industrial Market and Transfer Pricing Services Group in KPMG Advisory Services in Nigeria. dbrownconsulting, which I guess is from the name David Brown, I've known it from the very first day it was set up. Though I didn't have idea, I didn't plan with him that he was going to set up, but I knew that when he joined this place and he started to also make some suggestions on how we can work more efficiently and effectively, I knew he was going places. So when he pulled out of KPMG, he resigned to go and set up dbrownconsulting and to concentrate on aspects of Microsoft, I think, Excel. I knew he was bound for the top. He has seen the market, he has seen the potential, and he has seen how he can train so many people. It's from day one that I've actually been together, worked with him, just to make sure that he succeeds. What I know about him that is very dedicated. His eyes on excellence, and he does not compromise. When it comes to international best practices, you can be sure that David is not going to leave anything till he does what he thinks he needs the very best. And he also worked for some of our clients because we also had to recommend him to some of our clients to do work for them. And I remember he had to do one complex job for one international company in the airline industry. And he did the job so excellently. He also worked with one of the best staff he could get around. So when it comes to delivery, service delivery, David or D. Brown has his eye on excellence and to do any work that will meet the very best international standard anywhere in the world. I'm not so surprised that he also goes about traveling all over the globe to go and provide similar training for people, both outside Nigeria, outside Africa, even in Europe. That's good to know, and I'm proud to be associated with him. Yeah, first of all, we also need to tell you that we also engage him sometimes to train our people here, because in that aspect of using Excel. So he's impacted us positively in training our staff as well in how to use Microsoft tools, Excel in particular, to deliver value to our clients. And I also know that he's trained quite a number of people, also recruited them, and changing their life from nobody to who they are today. I remember that I had to introduce somebody to him that barely has education beyond the ND as they call it now. And I took the person from a very low level, and the person was working with a federal government at a point in time, servicing well over thousands of clients in terms of monthly payroll services. So I know he's impacted lives, he's impacted businesses, he's impacted society. I also know the time was also for instance a chartered accountant to train accountants and how to use Excel. So by and large, it's been a value addition to the Nigerian economy and in capacity building for people. My hope is that the world is now moving to a new level when it comes to artificial intelligence. It is now left for him to see how he imbibed the new technology into the use of Excel and other areas, in moving service delivery to the next level. We can only expect him to go to higher levels. He's already doing very well at the moment, but there's always room for improvement. There's always a point to grow higher. The Americans look at the moon, they circled the moon in less than 10 days and went to the back of the moon to come on Earth. They're also making an effort to go to even Mars very soon. So when it comes to going higher, there is no limit. I think the sky is the beginning. And I have no doubt that D. Brown very soon will be one of the firms that we talk about as one that has impacted people exceedingly in their professional service delivery. My best wishes.